In a commercial, fast-paced world, startups and small companies need to have a set of tools that can help them impact new audiences, drawing them to their businesses. This need must be fulfilled quickly because most may not have a second chance when entering a market with ruthless competition. But with the platform we will show to you today, you will enter better prepared to scale your company quickly. In today's video, we will show you how to master the essential tools for a successful business using Bigcommerce, a top e-commerce platform that lets small and medium-sized businesses set up online stores, do SEO, and get hosting, marketing, and security services for growing industries all over the world. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your company. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. With the right design tools, functionality, and support, you can build a store that meets your company's demands. Also, create a great shop with powerful features and expert e-commerce services. And from the first sale, expand your brand with a storefront designed for growth. In short, Bigcommerce Essentials gives you an e-commerce platform that won't hold you back today or tomorrow, with great features to show your products and operate your business. Features like SEO Friendly Themes, site-wide HTTPS, and automatic site maps can help you rank higher in search results. Bigcommerce works with Google to ensure your sites have industry-standard SEO. In addition, you gain complete control over URL and metadata to keep your brand front and center. You will help clients find and buy products on Facebook and Instagram. This allows for seamless processing and inventory control. Clients can easily buy on Facebook Marketplace, exposing your products to millions of new prospective customers. You will be featured on Google Shopping. The one-click connectivity makes it simple to transfer your product data, harnessing this popular purchasing channel without sacrificing efficiency. The platform includes features that make shopping easy and drive purchases to assist Bigcommerce merchants in reaching industry-leading average order values. This involves improving checkouts, minimizing website friction, and retaining customers via customer retention and conversion solutions. Plus, a clean, modern storefront can help provide a powerful first impression. You can easily add text, photos, videos, banners, and more to your pages using the pre-built themes and design frameworks. This platform requires no special coding skills. You can get dedicated SSL support, mobile optimization, account creation for faster checkouts, and guest checkout to keep clients on your domain during the checkout process. Additionally, using the abandoned cart saving option is also a proven way to increase sales and conversions. You can use coupons in the conversion tool's automated email campaigns to increase conversion rates. These emails are sent according to optimal email typing practices. Did you see how your enterprise can benefit from a tool like Bigcommerce? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Bigcommerce services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see more essential services available to benefit your business. Bigcommerce streamlines your e-commerce processes. The platform's built-in features simplify store creation and management, saving you time and money as your business grows. Your company's inventory costs money. Bigcommerce provides easy native tools for tracking stocks and sales over time, streamlining inventory management by combining online and physical channels. Additionally, Bigcommerce's native customer groups feature also lets you send targeted communications and offers to specific types of customers. You can also use customer groups to convert an existing store to wholesale. Besides, Bigcommerce does not charge transaction fees or payment penalties. PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net are among 6 to 5 payment gateways. The tool accepts payments with digital or mobile wallets, and simple third-party connections allow you to connect to industry-leading shipping platforms like Shipping Easy, ShipStation, and Shipper HQ. Plus, the Page Builder is a drag-and-drop tool for creating and managing pages. With Page Builder, you can construct and customize your brand without coding or development. You'll be guided by the best in the business at every turn. Bigcommerce's industry-leading life assistance is available 24/7 and is devoted to helping merchants achieve their business goals. The community forums are a great resource. No other e-commerce platform provides as much in-house support and services as Bigcommerce. You can contact them via live chat, email, or a toll-free number in the US. With the platform's help, you can open a successful shop. The virtual launch coaches are properly trained on the platform products and offer your organization a wealth of e-commerce knowledge and experience. The coach will guide you through the entire process of setting up Bigcommerce so you can make your first sale and continue to be successful. Plus, the platform uses SEO to help customers find your website. Working with an SEO coach, a multidisciplined marketing specialist can increase your website's traffic and revenue. Not only that, a conversion rate coach can help you convert website visits into buyers. Bigcommerce will thoroughly assess your store's conversion rate and advise you on how to increase it. Grow and scale your business by using Bigcommerce by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.